Hey folks, Ian Wallace Harper, Chatbot Ninja, and it's time again for another BizStackPro basics, but it's also I'm doing snippets. So I did say I did do a video earlier that was connecting the domains, but I did two videos together, two in one. A friend of mine asked me to do it as a snippet or as a shorter video and just do one. So I've just done the name cheap on another video. You'll get if you go over to that one, you can find if you've got a name cheap one. I'm doing this one is a GoDaddy. GoDaddy is a little bit easier because GoDaddy do it automatically for you, or it should do. So let me share my screen. And we'll go directly to here, and this is my domain portfolio in GoDaddy. BizStackPro, BizStackPro.biz and BizStackPro Taiwan, TW. They're the two one that I've just got. So what I'll do is we'll go over to BizStackPro. And we go into the domains. I'll go back from here, so you know where we are. Go back to the Launchpad, and here in the Launchpad is where you'll start normally. So what we need to do is we need to go down to Settings on the left-hand side, right at the bottom, and then we're going to go to Domains. Yeah, which is around halfway down, and it's just under managed scoring or custom values and domains. And if we go to domains, we'll go into and see which domains I've already got connected. This was the Namecheap one I've just done, and now we're going to connect up the GoDaddy. So we're going to add it's right up here on the right on the right hand corner, top right, away across from where it says domains to the top right, and just under learn about domains. So it's a plus sign and add. We're going to plus a domain or add a domain. And we're going to go for my GoDaddy one, which is first of all is BizStackPro. Make sure it's right. BizStackPro.tw Taiwan. Yeah. That's the first one. So we're going to continue. And what it does now, it's going to search for the domain provider, that domain and the domain provider. Now it's found GoDaddy. So your domain provider is GoDaddy. And we can authorize the domain. Now, authorizing that domain, I click on it and it opens up the Domain Connect. Obviously, you see it here, and we just say connect. BizStack TW is now your lead connector domain. So we're going to close it. DNS updates could take 30 seconds or more. Sometimes it takes a minute, but as soon as it goes through, it should connect up and authorize very quickly. We're just waiting for it. While we're waiting, there is a problem with that action. Error, couldn't find the CNAME pointing to. Let's go back to let's go back to GoDaddy. This is my GoDaddy. And we'll go into DNS. DNS management. I'm going to go for BizStackPro TW and search. Okay, so let's have a look. We're looking for a CNAME. Site's ludicrous. That's the one that we need, and it's already there. So, and the A name, A record is also there. So obviously there's something wrong with the thing. So let's go back to here, and we'll try again. And it should. But what we'll do in a minute is we'll have a refresh the. We'll refresh this in a moment. No, it's not going to do it. It doesn't want to do it. So what we'll do is we'll stop that, and I'll refresh this just in case it's connected. Taiwan. There we go. BizStackPro Taiwan. That's done. So now what we need to do now is the next one. We're going to have a look at this. So we're going to do this manually from here, because I think it's maybe a little bit easier. So we go to BizStackPro, and then we're going to add another domain. We're going to add BizStackPro, and then we're going to call it BizStackPro Biz. That's the one. I also want to add BizStackPro Biz, and then I'm going to, instead of going to continue, I'm going to add the content manually. So I need to copy these into the DNS. I won't do it. I'm not going to do it back. I'm going to go back, and I'm going to continue, because I think we should do it this way. BizStackPro .biz. Also want to add BizStackPro continue. So we're going to add that, authorize the domain, and obviously it's going to go in here, and it's going to do the same thing as it did again. I'm going to get onto support for this, and should have been. So let's see if it authorizes it now. Sometimes it sticks at GoDaddy, I think, but it's not a problem, because we can do it a different way. Let it, see, now it's done it. So we're going to connect up a funnel. Inclusive digital designs. I'm going to, let's go for the same one, website building demo. Home, link the domain. And it's done. So BizStackPro, and it's done it completely this time. BizStackPro Biz and BizStackPro Biz www. Okay. There we go. Two completely different videos, Namecheap and GoDaddy, all done. If you have any problems, let me know. If I'm doing it too fast, let me know. But you can always pause the video. What I would ask you to do is hit like and subscribe and hit the bell for my channel to inform you when I do another video. And I hope this helps you. So hit like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notification. Thank you, and I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.